Okay, so this is the B-Kit box unboxing. This hat is pretty crunched, but it does have those little straps at the bottom, so that's good. Go under your arms. This, here, let me. This guy here, does it look pretty good? Okay, well, maybe. We have this brush. That's pretty cheesy. It does have this wedge on the end, so I don't know what that's all about. Let's see, what's in here? Oh, okay, so those are the little bug catchers. This guy. Let's see. Okay. He seems pretty sturdy. All right. Pen. This is maybe that's to, I don't know what that's for. Maybe to take out the little thingies. What's that? This guy. Doesn't say what all this stuff is all about, but has a little bee on it. Let's see the bee. So that's that. And then this. So this kit was $59.99. So don't know what this is, but this kind of thing comes out. This is a little squishy. And then I got one of these. There's a lot of stuff, but I wasn't really sure. Okay, so this is some kind of jar that has holes in it and a holder for it. Okay, I know what this is. This is if you want to keep the queen safe. You put her in there. That keeps her safe. Okay. What's this? Don't know what that is unless it's to strain honey. I'll be disinfecting it before I use it if that's what it's for. These gloves, and they are the, oh, they're actually pretty soft, but they're long, not too long, but about the width of the box. Let's see if we can get a bigger. So yeah, there's that. One of these, this one's pretty heavy duty. Okay, so this has like a sharp scrapery end, and then this, and so I guess this is to pry the box open. Anyway, this is to pry the box open. Okay, so I got this. Maybe that's a nice double wedge on there, and the hook. And then something is coming in this box. So it's one of these. I don't know what that is. It's pretty sharp. And then the last thing is this smoker. Like a pretty good smoker. I'll give that a roll. And that was what came in the box.